Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to edit Autopay on Zillow. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Zillow.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Zillow if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the top left corner, we have the buy, rent, sell, home loans, and find an agent. In the top right corner, we have the manage rentals, advertise, help, of course, your profile. And in the middle, we have the location, search bar, of course. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and edit Autopay on Zillow. First, visit the Zillow website and log into your account, as we already did, of course, in the start of the video. Then navigate to your payment dashboard. When you're within 10 days of your upcoming rent due date, your payment dashboard will refresh. Click the pencil icon next to Autopay. Select either Autopay recurring or one at a time. To change the date and payment in withdraw, click the pencil icon next to the send date and select the new date. If you want to cancel Autopay, click cancel all payment. And that's how you can basically do it in just a few steps. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you can do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.